First of all, I have a request from all of you dear ones. You asked me to make a prototype, all the ideas. Okay, alright. But building prototype costs money. And I need your support to build them. And I'm asking you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I promise to make a prototype, all the ideas, and show them to you. Well, let's check out the great new idea. This is very, very good. Today I'm back with a great idea that was first down in the world. Okay, alright, imagine. Welcome to energy gravity. The previous video was about combining gravity with flywheel. And the idea is also combining gravity with flywheel. But in this idea, I use a gearbox. So that we could store energy more efficiently. Well, when we release the pendulum at the top, it moves down. The rotational energy is transmitted to flywheel by the gear. And the flywheel spins several times faster than the pendulum, storing kinetic energy, and energy is stored in the flywheel. When the pendulum reaches the lowest point, and then the rotating flywheel transmitted energy to the gear, and the gear transfer energy to the pendulum shaft and rise the pendulum to the top point, and this cycle repeats itself and rotates continuously. And be sure to write in the comments what you think about this mechanism. It can rotate permanently or not. I will soon make a prototype of this idea and upload a video of it on the channel. If you want me to build a prototype, just support me with a like and subscribe to the channel. And finally, jump into the comment and let me know. If you like this video, be sure to check out one of the ones. I will link it right here. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification. As always, I'd like to thank all of you for watching. I will see you in the next one.